But when you're dealing with God, he doesn't look at it that way. That is why he tells them Lazarus' sickness shall not end in death, because the beginning and the end has removed time, which is also a hindrance and limitation to men, because they function under earthly time. He says, okay, your time frame is that you're going to count 4 days in the tomb, but me, the infinite God, which is the beginning and the end, I don't see those 4 days. I am the beginning, I am the end, I am the Alpha and the Omega and the present and the future. That is a high place of knowledge.